Welcome to Group 40's 3-minute video for Computer Science 3319A. This video will be touching on the importance of data synchronization, how it is implemented, and why it is necessary. Data synchronization is the process used to ensure that data, which is stored on multiple devices or servers, remain consistent, even when manipulations are being performed in one or many of the locations. The task of data synchronization tends to be complex and time-consuming. There's no agreed-upon method for data synchronization as it tends to differ on a case-by-case basis. For this reason, data synchronization tends to be a full-time job of its own. Data synchronization is resource costly, meaning that they are CPU intensive when running many commands or when run on large databases. Because it is so CPU intensive, data synchronization is often run during downtime when it is less likely to affect the performance of users. Since data synchro is so time consuming and needs such extensive resources, it also tends to be very costly. Primary challenges for implementation are security. The way the data travels must meet standards and the encryption needs to be consistent. Data quality, meaning that the databases must keep strict integrity of the information. Management, meaning the data must be integrated in real time. Performance has 5 phases. If any of these are missing or incomplete, it will affect the end result. And data complexity. As the database grows, there will be more need to add complexity to the data formats. Data synchronization is very important because it allows organizations to keep their data readily available to reference at multiple sources. Having multiple copies of the data also proves useful should one database become corrupted or destroyed. Synchronizing data is important because having multiple access points to the data provides benefits like flexible restrictions of access points, which will help aid in better security, improves performance when data is offloaded to multiple databases instead of forcing one of the databases to do all of the workload. Some clients might have an easier access to data because of better routing or lack of firewalls, and allows for structural differences to better suit case-by-case needs. There are 2 ways to synchronize databases. The first is manually, which is when written or generated scripts are saved as procedures or run on a schedule. The pros of this are that they don't need third-party software, giving the synchronizer full control of the database. The cons are that it requires a higher level of difficulty and is very time-consuming. The second way to synchronize data is automatically, which uses software to generate advanced scripts. These scripts are created by using tools provided by the software or by giving criteria. The pros are that you don't need advanced knowledge to use and it has many available features. Cons, potentially expensive as third-party software must be purchased. In conclusion, data synchronization is necessary for security, performance, and accessibility reasons. It can be implemented either manually with written scripts or automatically with paid programs. Hope you found our video informing. Again, this is Group 40 for Class 3319A.